Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screen goes black when scrolling with mouse. First method is uninstall mouse driver. Second method is update display adapter driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.